Hello again. I'm going to do another E39 speedo pixel fix. As previously, it's going to take about 2 minutes. This time I'm going to use a cable and the display which is bonded together. This is how you can buy it, okay? So this is the display, this is the cable, so it's already on. Just as before, I'm not going to use any soldering iron or any bonding machine or T-tip or anything like that. I'm going to use only household stuff like screwdrivers, Q-tips and so on. So let's start. I just put the LCD to the panel. Just as previously, I want to make sure that the pads of the panel match perfectly the pads of the cable. I apply pressure with the soft part of the Q-tip. This is what makes the electrical connection. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side as well. Okay, nothing difficult. And I do the same thing on the left side. Okay, all along the pads. Now it's done. Now I pick the original plastic stand and I put it back to the panel. I press the connectors in on the two sides, put the LCD back, and I'm going to do a short test. I don't even put the black frame back because I don't need it. It will still work. See? It works fine. I just switch the lights off so you can see how it works. Let's go to test mode. Just 1 second. Need to press the right button and then the left one. Okay, now we are in test mode. It looks brilliant. Looks absolutely perfect. The contrast is good. The display looks absolutely fantastic. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.